So good morning, one and all. So welcome you all in the channel of Islamic Finance Research Clinic. So today we are discuss very interesting aspect of India-Pakistan Sharia indices. You know about the Sharia indices, which is following the rules regulations by the Sharia principles, and BSc India had the Sharia indices, that's the BSc Sharia indices, and the Pakistan also have the Sharia indices that's called the Mizan index, the Karachi Mizan index. So today we discuss about the different the relationship between the Sharia indices of BSc and NSC. Very important aspect is which is called the CSR, the social uh, cooperative social responsibility. The CSR is one of the major things which is working for the society as well, where the all every organizations have to be part to be development of the society as well. When the organization or the corporate working for the profit, then after they have to be take care of the corporate social responsibility. So I'm just sharing, start to share my presentation where I just gone through or conclude some fact and figures which is related for the Sharia indices and corporate social responsibility Pakistan and India study. So the corporate social responsibility and Sharia compliant stocks, basically the Sharia compliant stocks, which is the stock which are listed in a BSE Sharia and the Karachi Mizan indices. And even a study from the India Pakistan, so we have to be know about how the corporate social responsibility are working in the organization where they are just claiming that the Sharia index is working in a such a manner. The objective of a study is to focus the corporate social responsibility and financial analysis and risk and return behavior of selected the Karachi Mizan index and the BSE Sharia indices and the benchmark indices of BSE and the Karachi Stock Exchange. This study is during the basically the first Jan 2012 to the 31st December 2013. These are the four component which is related for the benchmark indices and the Sharia indices in the Pakistan and India as well. So you know about the Sharia canonical law. The way the Sharia is a canonical law which observe the Muslim adherents in their daily life. The Sharia has certain restrictions regarding the financial and commercial activities permitted to the Muslims. So Sharia also have give them some such kind of things where you can be where you can be free for floating or investing of funds in a stock market. That's called the textile, mining, refining companies are giving a full platform to you to be invest in a stock market. But the Sharia canonical law is non-permissible for doing a business like the financial services, media, advertising, tobacco, pornography, music, etc. These are the non-permissible things which are not entertained in Sharia. That the Holy Quran also stated in the Surah Bakr that Allah is permitted for the business but forbidden for the riba. Riba, it's called, that is non-permissible thing, that is interest, grar and uncertainty, interest, gambling or uncertainties. These are the things are non-permissible things in Islam. So this is a Sharia screening. That's at the screening companies, those who are dealing with the FMCG, IT, healthcare, transportation, equipment, housing related, telecom, metal, mining, and capital goods, and chemical and petrochemical. These are the things are permissible in Islam and Sharia and ISIS. So basically, the second filter of the particular all the skips, those who become a part of the Sharia and ISIS and the Karachi Mizan index, that's called the interest based debt should be less than or equal to the 25% of the total assets. The interest income returns from the interest based investment should be less than or equal to the 3%, and receivables plus the cost of bank balance should less than the equal to the 90% to the 90% of the total assets. So these are the hypotheses I make for the for concluding this project or research. So that hypothesis one is the Sharia corporate social responsibility and financial performance is independent to each other, or the Sharia does not dependent upon the financial performance of the dividend of the company. So we have the Sharia, that means the Islamic law, that's the Sharia corporate social responsibility. You know about the corporate social responsibility, that the ethical things which is dealing with the any organizations, and the financial performance by based of the dividend. What exactly the particular companies are distribute a dividend to the shareholder or not. So this is a data analysis and interpretations called that BSE Sharia, Bombay Stock Exchange, the Bombay Stock Exchange Sharia, Karachi Stock Exchange and Karachi Stock Exchange, the Mizan Index, and NSE, BSE, Router, and Google Finance have collected data from this particular period, the 1st Jan 2012 to December 30, 2013. And these are the Indian companies, those who are dealing with the and under the supervision of the Sharia, the BSE Sharia listed companies like the Maruti Suzuki, Cipla, GAIL, Bharti Airtel, and HUL. Now these at the same time, I just captured the all companies which are already came from the same background, same background of the company, same category of the company. Those who are already dealing in the corporate, basically the Sharia indices. That's called the Mizan Index. That's called the Park Suzuki, that's GlaxoSmith, oil and gas development, Park telephone telecommunications, and the agro foods. These are the companies are short, or these are the sample size of the company where we can be conclude by the through of the dividend or the particular CSR activity, the financial performance of the Sharia indices. So study across the point of the performance of the risk content behavior of indices. CAPM, that's new about the beta, that the capital price asset model, and the CAGR, the compound annual growth rate, and the correlations. The further study will take place. So this is the table, the performance of the BSE Sharia indices from the giving dates that's explained. The respectively the Sharia is low as compared to the volatility of the BSE. However, the CAGR, CAGR of the Sharia is greater than the BSE. That hence the Sharia is less risky than the BSE, but the growth of return of the Sharia is increasing because of the Sharia law. And second thing is that's the second table, the performance of the Karachi Stock Exchange and the Mizan Index. And basically the explanation with respect to the Karachi Stock Exchange is lower compared to the Mizan Index. The CAGR of the Mizan is greater than of the CAGR of the KSE. That means that the Mizan Index, that Mizan Index is a low volatility and less risky in comparison to the Karachi Stock Exchange. That's a good way to be invest in a Karachi Stock Exchange in comparison to the Karachi Stock Exchange. Likewise, at last slide also discussed that the BSE Sharia also performing best in comparison to the benchmark indices. So this is the beta of the BSE and BSE Sharia indices. That's called the 0.5%. That means the percentage. If we have to convert into percentage, that means the 5%. That means the 5% co-movement of Sharia is dependent on the market movement, and the rest of 95% movement of the other factors. So you have the number of factor by which the movement of the particular stocks price are independent, or number of factor by which the price of the particular indices up and down. So that is the beta of the Karachi Stock Exchange and Mizan. That's called the 17%. The movement of the Mizan depends on the Karachi Stock Exchange, and the rest of the 86%, 83% depends on the other factors. So this is the correlation matrix belongs to the BSE Sharia, Karachi Stock Exchange, and the Karachi Mizan Index. These are that show that the BSE and the Karachi Stock Exchange have a negative relationship. Even though when we talk about the BSE with the Sharia indices and the Karachi Mizan Index, they have the positive correlations. And again, the Sharia, BSE Sharia have the negative relationship between the Karachi Mizan Index. And no doubt that when we go for the find out the relationship between the Karachi Stock Exchange and the Karachi Mizan Index, there's a relationship. That means there's a positive relationship showing. So this is the expenditures of the Indian companies on CSR of the Sharia and BSE 2013. That means the particular companies and the same sectors I have kept, and the net NPAT, that means the net profit after tax is given particular company, and the CSR of the 2% of the companies are given the figures. So describe results of the selected companies which are the common of the Sharia indices and the benchmark index out of the all companies. The table shows that the net profit after tax and the corporate social responsibility of the. So this particular table number 8 expenditures of this Pakistani companies on CSR, the Karachi Mizan Stock and Stock Karachi Stock Exchange have the profit after tax that shows that 2% of CSR expenditures that 30,500 and respectively the company, all five companies have. So the next slide. So move forward on behalf of the CSR activities or the DPS. Basically, financial performance of they have to be identified the dividend per shares. So Pakistani companies, all Pakistani companies and DPS is the sky. The result is selected Pakistani companies which are the compared by the CSR per shares and the dividend per shares. Hence, the Park Suzuki have the DPS is greater than the CSR per shares. That means the company is going to be the eminent way in the way the GlaxoSmith and oil and gas and Pakistan communication and agro food, all the companies having the DPS is greater than the CSR as per. All the companies are going to be the ethical and proper way. And and the same things we have to be know about the Indian companies, that Indian companies to be do the CSR activities and expenditures, which is very good in a manner where we have to be conclude in this research. The Indian returns and the Pakistani returns is going to be the different way. So the present study, the empirical analysis is the CSR and dividend of the Sharia indices and Karachi MISA indexes are the benchmark indices. During this, the period from the Jan 12 to 13 December, and the closing stock price has taken place. So the CSR is less for the all companies, including the Indian and Pakistani companies, in comparison to the DPS for the all the companies in which include the Indian and Pakistani company. That means that India BSE is more in comparison to the Sharia indices, and the Pakistani MISA indexes is more popular in comparison to the Karachi Stock Exchange. That the study infer that the equity-based Sharia indices and the Karachi MISA indices are the social responsible investment of value to the investors, especially for the small and small individual ethical investors. So thank you so much. Thank you for all for being with me for this Karachi Stock Exchange and BSE Sharia indices and the supervision of the corporate social responsibility. So thank you so much for being with us. If you are not subscribing my channel, so please subscribe my channel, the Islamic Finance Research Clinic. So thank you so much. We will meet you again in the next video with the good or new aspect of the Islamic finance capital market. So thank you so much all.